Thank you for watching. I'm here today to talk with you about my experiences in ordering, receiving, and using these really cool Gorilla Grip travel bags that I got on Amazon. My family travels a lot. Planes, trains, and automobiles mean something completely different in my household other than being a movie. And keeping our luggage packed and organized properly is something that we love to do. And for my luggage, I chose Gorilla Grip. One of the things that I look for in anything that I purchase online is the quality of the materials and the quality of the construction. And I can say without a doubt, Gorilla Grip is built well. My eyes always go first to the zippers, and I make sure that all of the zippers slide easily, and these do. I look at the seams to make sure that there's no frays, that there's no materials torn or any rips. These are built to last. And I love that the bags come with a handle on them so that I can take them out of my luggage easily. And they fold up and pack very nicely in their own bag. Gorilla Grip luggage bags are also very easy to take care of. They're hand washable in cold water and you hang them up to dry. So whether you're going away just for the weekend or you're on a full-fledged family vacation, if you're looking for something to keep your luggage organized, this is the bag that I would choose. The name again is Gorilla Grip Packing Cubes. I highly recommend you give them a try. They've worked well for me. Perhaps they will for you.